Turin coffee grinder. First thing I do, make sure it's unplugged. When you're doing this, when you're working with it, I take this holder off. This is for when you're grinding. You put it in here. Obviously, it grinds into that. This is for espresso. These, I think they're a little too small, and they tend to blow all around. So I'm going to take this off. This gets in the way, you'll see. I'll just start this back by fingertip. That's good enough. Always start it by fingertip. Now, I have this on loosely. I mark it in here in case I ever take this off to, dust it out. That's all you dust it with. Just you dust it with this, a little brush. I marked it so I know where it goes back, so I don't put it so it doesn't seat improperly. There. Now you press down here, and you'll hear it click on the black part here. I'm pressing here on the shiny steel, stainless steel. Just turn it, turn it, turn it. So you start feeling resistance. You might have to push down a little harder. But you want it to be snug. So stop. You'll feel it stop there on 0. Right there. Okay. It gets real tight there. Even when you're pressing down, it gets tight. You want to push hard on this. You might need someone else to help you push down on it to get it where you want it. Okay. I'm going to go back. I don't want espresso. I don't want mocha. I want filter grind. And I like mine about 60. That's what this little thing's for, so you know where you're at. I don't think you really need it, but it makes it a little more precise. Okay, now the fun part. I'll plug it in. Light comes on. This, you can see in here. I'll bring it right up to the edge here. I'm going to insert this. It's a rubber baffle. It's going to hold your grinds. Okay. Then you put this little cap on here. It's like a black. It's heavy. It's like a steel composite something. And here's that mug I was talking about. Slide that back a little. And this way it doesn't go all over the place. And then here and there, you press on this. See it? It pushes the excess dust out. See all that? So imagine that 4 times the amount if I was using this. Just levitating there with the other one. No. Okay. Let's get a good aerial view. And we're gonna put a light on there. You can see in there. Watch this. Don't put your fingers in there. There goes one like popcorn. Going all over the place. You know when it's totally done. It's quiet. Just hear the motor. Alright. And there's your fresh grinds. You can do it as you please. This is how I like to do it. And put a cap on this and you're done.